Hi guys, this is my first time here in Davao and itong Sky Ride ay matatagpuan sa somewhere in Bansalan, particularly at Balutakay. So, wow, it's amazing experience. Kaso medyo leg cramps ako after nung matapos na kami dito sa Sky Bike Riding. Pero wow, intense ang feeling. Super enjoyable naman dito. Try nyo din, pumunta dito, pasyal kayo.